So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Adani Power Share. So many people have requested to make a separate dedicated video on Adani Power. So we'll discuss complete technicals, and also we know recently the company has declared the quarter result and it has reported a loss. So many have doubts on Monday, will it continuously start falling down or will it be struck in a particular range? So these type of questions were arised. So we'll try to discuss each and everything in detail. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so first moving towards the quarter result the company has posted. So we can clearly see that it has reported a loss of almost rupees 230 crore. So coming to loss and followed by revenue also has been drastically has come down in this particular quarter. So many are expecting the downtrend will still continue. So apart from that, we also know the stock, when it has given some very good movement in the recent time, but again it has come into complete negative region because of this one reason, that the upcoming quarter would be slightly down. So the stock also reacted in that sort of manner, and followed by market condition was also very volatile since the few sessions. So the stock was sustained near the 100 rupees level. So another thing is that related to the discoms, there is an update that the company has got a very good amount. Okay, so that is one positive thing still present despite whatever the quarter result the company has posted. And if you go and check the charts, you will see that the stock has come to NSE EQ. So earlier, whatever the journey we have seen in Adani Power, it was in BE category. So when they travel in BE category, we know intraday is strictly banned. And if you once invest in that sort of stocks, you need to at least hold for T+2 sessions before you sell the stock. So this was the earlier process. So now on Monday, there are fair chances that the stock will open in NSE EQ segment. So whatever the intraday trading or swing trading many people were expecting, so those can comfortably happen. So that you can directly check, and if you are having Zerodha or Upstox, just if you type Adani Power, you will see that it will be in NSE EQ segment. Right. So these are two positives, and one negative is the quarter result. What is the negative result? Because of the loss the company has reported. So this was expected already, it would report that. So let's go to technical charts. We'll see all the levels that we need to focus. Okay, so quickly, if we try to discuss on weekly chart time frame, so we'll observe almost in the past week, the stock has almost tried to go above 130. So it has gone above 130, but later we have seen little bit of downfall. So rest of all the Adani stocks are performing very well, but Adani Power, because of the financials, it has completely dragged down. And you can see 102.50 is the closing of the stock. Okay, so next important support would be the 100 rupees level, the most important psychological level you need to focus for the coming sessions. So if it breaks that 100, so obviously we will see some downtrend, and it may slide down to 80 rupees level. So because of the financials, so I told you clearly, whenever financials are negative, so you need to obviously fix your mind that it will show the correction. So rest depends upon whatever the operator's game, but temporarily the stock will definitely show the correction. So these are the near-term supports for Adani Power. So now comes the second question: can we have a entry? So the current market levels, so definitely you are seeing negative news are obviously present. Market condition is also not stable. So better to wait. So let it settle down, let it come down. So the volatility, whatever is expected in the stock, will continue, and it may test even the support levels. Okay, so these things may happen, but if you can patiently watch it, so watch it. So don't try to put heavy amounts, that is not at all suggested. So try to catch in small portions, but not at current levels. So next support would be around 90. Afterwards we have near the 80. So these are only the support regions that you need to focus. All right, so why because supports, because obviously loss has been reported by the company. It is not a small amount, almost 230 crore loss has been reported. So this is in weekly chart. So let's even discuss on daily chart. Okay, so next, moving further towards the daily chart as well, you can see the same 100 rupees trend line is going to be very important. So if it breaks that 100, so as usual, I told you the next two support regions, they are going to be very important. So keep them on radar. And resistance wise, first resistance would be around 1110 rupees level. So these can be on upside and these are on the downside. So try to not put any heavy quantities. So let it settle down. I know many people are holding this particular stock. So if you're holding since low levels, you can hold it. And if you want to book any partial profit, you can book it, because again, if it comes down, you can search for average opportunities. Okay, so financials are not that great as expected. That is the one major drawback. So obviously, if market comes down on Monday, so this particular stock can even go to lower circuit. Chances are present. So watch carefully and trade. So any further queries, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.